Alright, it is 3:20 in the morning and we're about to head out for my trip to San Francisco to WWDC. First task, trying to get out of the driveway because I parked poorly last night. We're gonna see if we can't get out of here before I miss my flight. All right, here we go, security check-in. Here's the gate. Heading out to Chicago. Made it here to San Francisco safely. Had a little bit of plane trouble this morning. There was some damage to where the door was, so they kind of kept us there for an extra 45 minutes, but we got here safely. Everything's all good. About to go get my bags now, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do for the next, next 6 hours until I have to check in for my orientation, so it'll be fun to explore. So just got in the room and oh, look at this. Look at that. Welcome Brandon Hargests. That's me. That's really cool. This is nice. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at the view here. Let's check out the view. Let's see what we got. Oh, do I do that? What am I doing? I don't know. Go up. Is there a button? Now how do I go up? I don't know how to work this. Go up. Now it's really dark in here. I guess I pull again? That's not right. I feel really stupid. I don't know how to work the drapes in this. What is this? Nope, that's not it. How do I do this? I wish there was like an instruction manual or something. Maybe help. That's a... Okay. Oh my gosh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew I'd find it. Look at this. How do I turn this on? Look what this says. Dun dun dun. Shade. I totally pulled that. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. That was stupid. Here I was trying to use the TV to open the shade. See, I've got 4 hours till I have to be at the venue. So I'm gonna, finish watching all the cool stuff that Apple just announced and that Microsoft announced for Xbox because they had a conference on the same day and I'm a total nerd. So I'm gonna spend the next hour looking through that stuff. I might go get some food. I might walk down to the new Apple store, Union Square, which is like, I don't know, a block away or so. I don't know. I have no idea. I've got all the time in the world right now. Or really just 4 hours, but this is cool, I like it. Welcome to San Francisco. So I was literally thinking, where's the new Apple store? I mean, here's my hotel right here, and sure enough, I'm next door to it. That's crazy. It's right here. So let's take a look at it. So here it is, Apple Store, Union Square, right outside here. This is one of the new redesigned Apple stores. You can see, this is wide open, there's no door. There it is. That's so cool. There's trees. It's pretty awesome. giant video wall behind me. It is massive. The thing is really cool. And by the way, again, that's outside. That's so cool. No door right there. It's just fades in. Hey, that's Tim Cook. Look at that. That's Tim Cook over there. So Tim Cook, the CEO of our company, is right here. Well, you can't get any crazier than that. I literally walk across the street from the hotel to this. I wasn't across the street. Hey look, they're all up there clapping. And Tim Cook, the CEO of the company, just walks in the store, and it's crazy. Got to take a picture. It's really insane. Okay, at the Metreon out here with oh, I got Ryan here. Hey Ryan, hi. It's a roommate here. While I'm out in San Francisco. We're walking to the Moscone West. Moscone, right? Is that how you say it? Moscone West. Okay, so just got back to the hotel after our dinner. It was amazing. It was so filling. I don't remember. I got some Shinjuku? I don't know, and I got some beef something. So, I don't know, it was good. It was really good. Then we had to walk back. It was fun. Great night. I'm exhausted. I'm delirious because I've been up for 22 hours now. So I'm probably gonna stay up a little bit longer. So maybe I'll hit that 24-hour mark. All right, guys, good morning. It is another day here in San Francisco. I am fully rested, but last night was longer than I thought. So after we got home from dinner, it was a long day. Of course, I had been up for 22, almost 23 hours at that point. I get ready for bed, and I go to take my contacts out. Somehow, my contact solution in my little contact case leaked out into my bag. And so what little I had was gone. I was like, oh my gosh, this is our last pair of contacts. I cannot let them dry out. I need them. So I had to make a trip to the 24-hour Walgreens a couple blocks away. It was not fun, but I had to get out, go, get that done. My night was almost over, but when I found stuff, I got back, and by the time I actually went to bed, I did end up staying up for a full 24 hours. I did not have to be up super early today, so I feel fully rested. I'm ready to go. I'm excited for my first day. You guys can't go with me, but I will pick this back up once I'm done with day one.